Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily disable Read AI in Microsoft Teams. Let's begin. First, open your favorite browser. I have Chrome, look for Read AI, and then log into your accounts. Once you're here, I want you to focus your attention on the left side, and you should be able to find integrations. Left click on it, then scroll down until you locate Microsoft Teams. So it should be right over here under messaging. So Microsoft Teams, it shows in you're not connected, either connected or not connected. It's the same. Click on it. And over here, it will have the same function, connect or disconnect. You can click over here or into this section. Now, for example, if I'm going to click on it, it will just basically pop up a new window to confirm if I would like to disconnect my Microsoft Teams or if I would like to connect my account. Once done, you will be pulled up back into this window and it will show it here, no longer connected, just like this. That's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.